Okay, gentlemen, I'm going to walk you through a quick trade. Prior to the trade of the opening of 8:30 our time, 9:30 New York, I plotted out the low of the day, of the previous day, the high of the previous day. I got the high, I'll use my mouse. The high here is of the pre-market, and I got the low here of the pre-market.
No, he's good.
I have a 1 minute chart. Yeah, I'm going to be monitoring the candlesticks. I'm going to blow it up so we can see it here. But I want to back off a little bit so I can see my resistance lines. There we go. We got another minute until the open of the market. I'm going to be buying 180 shares, hopefully within this price range, or actually down in here, because I got to see where it goes. If it takes off up here, I'll be monitoring it going up here, and then buy short going down here. If it goes down here, I want to see it hit down in here, and then I'll buy long and ride it up. I keep reading that we need to wait 5 minutes after the market open to make our moves, and if we see an entry, jump in. If not, you still wait. So a lot of new guys, they want to, as soon as they see a green break, they want to jump in and in hopes that it's riding up, but we're trying not to hope. We're playing with our real money here. FYI, this is a simulated trade, but everything is legit, and it's going to be real time as soon as this damn thing goes through. It's we got 15 minutes before the market opens. We got to see, or 15 seconds. We'll see what 10 seconds, 5 seconds before it opens. We're going to see where we start off at. Each of these candlesticks are equal 1 minute. So here we go. We're on the first minute here. See, it's already turning red and not going up. So what I want to do is see if this thing goes down here, or see if this candlestick reaches up here. And we have to wait until we see 5 of these candlesticks, because that means it's been 5 minutes since this is a 1 minute candlestick chart. I know a newbie like us would want to jump on it as soon as it went up there and just hurry up and hit the buy and buy some shares and jump in. But we have to be patient, because within the first 5 minutes of a trade, it's the big boys that are fighting each other, the bears and the bulls. And we just got to sit tight and see who wins the fight, and then we ride their back either down or ride their back up. But we got to wait 5 minutes, man. That's the rule. I know it sucks. And I want to go to my other chart, but it's going to be out of focus on this thing. But here I have a 5 minute chart, or a 1 minute chart where you can see it here. Same thing, and here I have a 5 minute chart. But I don't want to readjust the camera because you're going to miss the other screen. So I'm going to go back here. I'm watching the 1 minute. I can see the time up here, up at the top. So I'm not doing anything until after the 5 minute. See, it's pushing down. So if I would have jumped in right away at the beginning, I would have been losing money. I'm going to buy 180 shares, and you only want to risk 2% of your account, which I got 10 grand. That's 200 bucks. So I think I'm going to give it a 40-cent play. So 40, let's do 40 cents times 180 shares. That's 72 bucks. I'm only risking 72 bucks on this. I'll place my stop here, and what that does is if it goes back down, I get stopped out. They sell my stock, I'm out $72. My plan was wrong. I'd rather be out $72 than be out of the 8 grand that I'm going to spend by not putting a stop loss on there. We are on the 3rd minute. It's 8:32 and 28 seconds. The 3rd minute is going to be coming to a close in 30 minutes, and we're going to watch, see what it does. When I jump in the trade, you'll see the shares that I buy here, what the price I bought them at, and this is going to be what profit I make or loss. If it's in green, it's going to be means I'm making money. If it's red, it means I'm losing money. All right, this thing is dropping near my it turns green, that means it's going to shoot its way back up. I'm going to turn green for a split second. I'm going to see if I can get it all the way here. And then if it goes green, I'm going to shoot it up. But another rule, we got to wait to the 5th minute. This is 1, 2, 3. We're on the 4th minute right here. So it's 8:33 and 17 seconds right now into the market. And that's Central Time. Obviously, Eastern Time would be 9:33. You guys get it. And a lot of times these markets, these shares respect these lines for some reason. And that's what I learned, to set up these lines to see if this respects it as a support, which means it's going to bust, it's going to keep it from falling down, which that means if it's going to keep it from falling down, it's going to shoot back up. And then we're going to ride it up, and then we can monitor it on the way up. See, now we got green, so it's not going to reach there. It is 8:34 and 7 seconds. I cannot pull the trigger until my 5 minute is up. This is where patience. Because this thing can turn red out of nowhere because it's just a 1 minute chart and fucking slam down, and then we're out of money. Then I'm going to be in the negatives and praying that it comes back up. I don't want to pray. I want to see stuff move. Okay, we got 30 seconds to the end of the 5th minute. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the 5th minute candlestick. It is going up, so I don't think it's going to hit my resistance or my support line that I thought it was going to, but it came close. As soon as this completes, another one's going to go. If that shows potential to go green, I am going to get on the trade and take off. Look at that. It just shot up, but it shot back down, shot up. Okay, now we're on the 6th minute, so the second 5 minute candle. This thing turns green, I'm out of there, but if it got to go big. See how it's going back and forth? If it gets big green going up, I'm going to hop on this trade, and I'm going to hope it breaks through these lines, which is my previous high and my pre-market high. Okay, it's going. No, don't look. Yep, it's gone. I'm going to go ahead and buy in. I bought 180 bucks or 180 shares at 49.36. Right now I'm down $1. It fluctuated somewhere. Okay, I'm back at $32 right now. It's at 8.36. We did 8. Let's see. Bought a weight down in there. Let me see. I'm gonna put my stop loss at this low here, 48.33. So what that's gonna do, because I bought it at 4. Come on, man, it's messing me up here. No, get that out. Made a mistake. See, you gotta pay attention. Look at, I'm already up 148 bucks. This thing is probably gonna test, but I gotta get my freaking resistance or my stop loss. Since I'm already that high, I'll make it at VWAP line. This is 49.15. So if I do get stopped out, I'll make some profit either way. Where are we at? 49.93.50. Shit. This thing keeps moving. I'm gonna drop it right there. So if it drops below 49.92, I'll lose money. I mean, I'll stop out, which will sell my shares automatically, and then I'll still have a little bit of a profit, and I won't risk that thing shooting all the way down and me losing all my money. All right, this thing, boy, is climbing. Okay, I'm at 375 right now. All right, it's testing this line here. Hopefully it can break through. If not, then I will sell my position and get the hell out and hopefully take a profit around this. Okay, broke through. I'm gonna watch it now and see if I see red going through. Look, I'm at 462. If it can beat the pre-market high, that'd be awesome. Remember, pre-market high, previous day high, pre-market low, and then the previous day low is down there, but you guys can't see it. If it can't bust through here, this might be a resistance line where it's going to knock it back down, where you can jump into a short trade and ride the bear down. But look at that, it busted through. What I'm going to do is see if a red candle forms after this candle, then I'm out of there, man. If a red candle forms, let me keep my finger on the trigger and I'm out. We got 10 seconds. Around the next, wait for the next minute candle to come in and see where we start. All right, we're green. We're green. We're green. It's going up still. It's not strong. I think I'm gonna get the hell out of here. I made a decent profit. Oh, look at that! It went up high. I want to wait till the second minute candle starts. Come on, come on, come on. This is where it could be stressful. You can get out. I got just over 600 in profit right now. We went up to 718. It's back to 682, 745. If I see a big red forming, I'm jumping out. All right, there's a red. All right, oh, there's a green. Excuse me if I sound stupid in this video. All right, we got red. If that thing goes down, I'm gonna bring my stop loss up to this here. So I'm gonna make profit no matter what. If I trade, all right, I'm getting out of there. That's too big of a red, I'm out. Okay, I made 700, let me see. I gotta go back to see what I made. Hold please.